Hey friends, it's your girl Magali back with another video. I know I've been MIA y'all, but I'm back for reals this time. I've been super MIA, just having so many family events this month, so I haven't had the time to record a video, but I finally got to it and I hope you guys like how this came out. So for this set, I went with a classic vibe, you know what I mean? The classic berry with the milk chocolate, the white drizzle, you know what I'm saying? So I ended up using Ghirardelli milk chocolate, which is my absolute fave. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I did use 2 smaller strawberries and the rest are like kind of bigger. I feel like you can't really tell on video. But anyways, I'm always getting questions about my freaking luster dust, and I'm finally going to show you guys what I use. So I did end up getting this on Lavender's Bake Shop, I believe that's what it's called. I don't really know. I do just call it Lavender's. But yeah, you just go ahead and mix a little bit of the gold luster dust in. I put it in this little cup, and then you use their like rose water, I believe it is. And you mix it in there and it makes the perfect gold. I have not seen another brand with a gold like this. I absolutely love it. I used to use this on its own, but ever since I found the rose water, I cannot stay away from some good splatters, y'all. And look how cute this came out. Literally, I could have left them like this, but you guys already know that I always gotta add a little bit of extraness, so I did end up drizzling every single one of the berries because I wanted like the classic just look, you know, like you can't go wrong with a classic vibe. But of course, instead of just a regular schmegular classic, I had to add the gold splashes, so I think it looks amazing. I love it. And can we just appreciate how good my drizzling is? Oh my gosh, if I had a picture, I'm gonna have to do a freaking video of my old berries and just clown on them, y'all, because it's so embarrassing. But anyways, this is the frame that I use for like the little graduation diplomas, you know? It's like so freaking cute and perfect. Like, look. It's my absolute favorite thing about graduations. I finally found like a local vendor that like sells these boxes, you guys, and I am so excited I finally found one because I feel like I've only been able to buy luxury boxes online and they're so expensive. It's better if you find a local vendor. But anyways, look how cute. It's like a graduation luxury box and it's like a little grad hat. I am obsessed. So I don't have the freaking clear paper, whatever it's called, so I ended up improvising and I used foil. Okay, you can't see it in the finishing touch, so it's totally fine. And once you have that all set up, go ahead and make sure that you soaked your greenery, your like green foam thing, for I do about 45 minutes to an hour until like it's fully green. And like when you cut it open, there is absolutely no light green, so make sure that happens or else your flowers will die. But anyways, I did cut up my flowers to the length that I wanted them. I wanted them to peep out just a little bit over the border of the hat, you know what I'm saying? I hope this makes sense. And since the flowers are so like big, only like about 8 of them fit in the hat, which is totally fine because the middle, I'm gonna put a sunflower in it and it's so cute. You guys, if you guys actually follow my friend, I believe her name is Alondra Sweets. Hold up, let me look it up, y'all, because I don't want to give you guys the wrong Instagram. Oh yeah, it's Alondra Sweets Treats. I actually got this idea from her. It's like so cute. It's a recreation of one of her boxes. And I absolutely had to recreate it as soon as I seen it. And I absolutely love it. So I'm going to go ahead and leave her Instagram down below so you guys can see the original creator. And I love how it came out. It's so cute. Like, wow, obsessed. So only about 4 berries fit in the little drawer. So that's where I kind of put like the bigger berries because they fit perfectly in there, and I was like, you know, you really have to measure them out, because if you put too much of like really big berries, the drawer is not gonna close, y'all. And trust me, you do not want your berries to get messed up, because this actually happened to me on another box and I was devastated. So yeah, go ahead and measure your strawberries out before you even dip them, do the whole shebang, because they might even be too big to be in the drawer. And because I hate to have like little holes or whatever in between my berries, that's where I ended up putting the frame, and I think it looks so freaking cute. And to add a little bit of a razzle dazzle up in my box, I ended up putting a 2022 for a graduate that this box was for. And don't forget about the glitter, because you guys already know it's not a complete box without the glitter. But anyways, since it was only 4 in the drawer, I ended up putting these other 2. Also because my friend, that's how it looked like in her box, and I really loved the way it looked. But let me know what you guys think about this box. I'm completely obsessed with it. Nobody can tell me nothing about this box. It is perfect. It is perfection. Bon appetit, baby. Let me know what you guys think down below about this cute ass box. And don't forget to follow me on all my other social medias. Bye.